How to send Spotify liked songs on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually send liked songs from Spotify to your Snapchat snaps. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if I open the Spotify app, now there are some of the songs that you might have liked, right? So if I open up Spotify, you'll be able to see a list of the playlists that you might have liked in this case. So let me just go ahead and select a specific album here. And then here I have basically liked this playlist. As you can see, liked over here. I basically already liked it. Now if I want to share this on my Snapchat and send it as a snap to my friends, then what I need to do is just tap the three dots to select and share this whole playlist, or you can just tap on the three dots next to only a specific song in this case. But I'll just select the whole playlist by just tapping the three dots here, selecting the option called share. Then once I tap on share, all I need to do is just select the option called Snapchat, and then once I select Snapchat here, I will be able to see to whom I want to share it to. So I'll just select allow here, and then over here I'll just allow the location permissions or whatever else it prefers. Then I'll just come back, and then here you should be able to find your Spotify playlist. Now in case you don't like this, you can also simply switch it to a much more darker or whatever type of theme that you prefer, and then just click the send button here if you want to upload it to your storage, as you can see. And then all you need to just click on next, select the person you want to send the snap to, tap on the send button, and your liked song to that person will be successfully sent. This is simply how you can send Spotify liked songs on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.